Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? Today we're picking for the giveaway. I feel nervous. I don't even know why I would be nervous. So I thought quickly I would tell you. I'm not going to pull out everything and tell you that I got it again, but I thought I would show you the box. Ta-da! The box of giveaway with the Natasha Denona palette and the O for highlighter. I have added a blue eyeliner, the Sol de Janeiro in the Coco Cabana. What do you think it smells like? And a Ipsy full-sized lip gloss. You know, people always ask me, what do you do with all your Glossy Box things? Well, for starters, it is chock full, and I have all of my entries in here. Everybody that entered, I couldn't decide the best way to do it. I thought about doing a comment picker and then a number picker, and this just felt so much more personal. So I cut out all of these exact same sized papers because that's fair, and I wrote everybody's name on one, and I put it in here, and I've shaken it 100 million times. 100 million and one, slight exaggeration. Let's get in here and see who won this. Also, if you didn't win, stay tuned, because I'm already at 830 subscribers, and I have started ordering for my 1000K giveaway because I want to be able to do it in a more timely fashion than I did this one because it happened so quickly. So I have ordered today a nice eyeshadow palette that is going to be the foundation of my 1000K giveaway. So stay tuned. Hopefully that'll be up soon. Okay, back to the box. Okay, plus one more. Okay, so here's the box. Everything's in it. Didn't miss anybody. Reaching in, can't see. Looking down so you don't think I'm cheating in the video. Not that I could see anything anyway. Okay, who have we got? So it's Susie Q, 1267. Congratulations. I will double check to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you meet all the other requirements, but I'm sure that you do, and I can't wait to hear from you. I will let you know below that you have won, and if you've started following me on Insta, I will DM you. And to everybody who didn't win this giveaway, like I said, stay tuned. I've already ordered a nice palette for the next giveaway, and that'll be soon, I'm sure. Well, I hope. So I will give Susie 48 hours, and if I don't hear from her, I will select the next person. So I will seal this box back up and keep it setting here. I won't make another video, but I will let the next person know if by chance I don't hear from Susie. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Thank you so much for participating. Congratulations to Susie, and I will talk to you all really soon.